No matter how many times you visit Dubrovnik, whether it's your first or 100th time, the old town's grandeur never fails to leave you speechless. In fact, it's difficult to imagine anyone being disappointed by the city's limestone streets, baroque structures and the infinite Adriatic shimmer, or failing to be inspired by a walk along the ancient city walls that for centuries protected the capital of a sophisticated republic. Dubrovnik is a museum city with every stone meticulously maintained, telling endless stories of a history that spans more than 1,000 years. Take a stroll above the city walls, check out the Maritime Museum and swing by some of the nearby Renaissance summer homes. Sail to the adjacent Elafiti Islands, then return and soak in the sea air on Bua, stop on Stradun and discover the delicious local cuisine on the corners of Dubrovnik's winding alleyways and steps. Strolling through Dubrovnik's walls is one of the most well-liked tourist activities. It needs to be the first as well because it enables visitors to become oriented, understand the size of this intricate city and observe the skill with which it was constructed. The city walls combine a historical lesson with a magnificent promenade. By the Pile Gate you may find their main entrance and ticket office. Once you've climbed the stairs to the walls, take your time admiring the scenery. The old castle-like old town offers the ideal location for an exciting getaway because of its enduring medieval ambience. Old Town Dubrovnik is made up of high walls built of smooth light stone that are immaculately clean, like most old town sections in Croatia. Since cars are not permitted in this neighborhood, both during the day and at night, a large amount of foot movement fills the small busy streets. Visitors and locals alike enjoy stopping by the taverns, boutiques, gelaterias, and tiny seafood restaurants with tables along the passageways along Stradun, the main street in Old Town. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. There are a few beaches close by, and there are many more if you are prepared to take a bus or boat 10 minutes offshore to the little Lokrum Island. If you arrive in early July, you might be able to attend their annual summer festival, which includes a firework display and customary Croatian dance traditions. Paying a little more to stay inside the ancient town walls is a fantastic idea because you'll already be in the thick of the action and won't have to travel far to get there. Due to the appearance in the popular television series Game of Thrones, Dubrovnik's historical city walls are one of its most well-known attractions. These powerful walls, which were initially constructed in the 10th century and then modified in the 13th and 14th centuries, offered a strong barrier against invaders, rising to a height of 6 meters in certain places. The roughly 2-kilometer long city walls of Dubrovnik are a terrific place for a leisurely stroll and provide multiple superb views over the Adriatic and the interior of the old city. There are so many things to do in Dubrovnik, and if you stay there for a few weeks, you might still find more. Dubrovnik is accessible from every part of the globe. You can go from it and travel to some of the most remote regions of the globe, but you can also return to Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is a gift for a lifetime, rather than a city to be visited just once.